Hey everyone! Ever wonder what happens when you start your day with a simple glass of lemon water? Stick around because today, we're diving into some jaw-dropping benefits of this morning ritual. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll want to make lemon water your new best friend. Alright, let's kick things off with a question. Have you ever wondered if that glass of lemon water in the morning is actually doing anything for you? Is it just a trend, or does it really have some hidden health benefits? Well, if you haven't, you're in for a treat. Because it's more than just a refreshing drink. Today, we're diving into the science behind lemon water, and by the end of this video, you might just want to start every morning with a splash of citrus. Let's get into it. Did you know that lemons are packed with vitamin C? Just one lemon gives you 51% of your daily recommended intake. That's right. It's like a mini superhero, boosting your immune system to help you fight off those pesky colds and flu. Who needs oranges when lemons have your back? That's a huge boost right from the start of your day. Vitamin C is essential for a strong immune system, skin health, and even your mood. Plus, it helps your body absorb iron from the foods you eat, which is crucial for energy levels. So, if you're feeling a bit sluggish in the morning, a little lemon water might be just what you need to kickstart your day. Who wouldn't want to be in a better mood, right? But what about the buzz around lemon water and detoxing? Is there any truth to it? Lemon water can actually aid digestion by encouraging your liver to produce bile, which is necessary for breaking down food. It also helps to kickstart your metabolism and keep things moving in your digestive system. In other words, if you've been struggling with digestion, a glass of lemon water might just be the gentle nudge your body needs. Imagine it as a gentle wake-up call for your gut, helping your body process food more efficiently. Plus, it's a natural detoxifier. It flushes out toxins and keeps your liver happy, kind of like spring cleaning for your insides. But wait, it gets even better. Want to wake up with glowing skin? Lemon water could help with that too. Lemon water is your skin's new best friend. That vitamin C we talked about. It helps reduce wrinkles and gives you that natural glow. Forget expensive skincare products. This is nature's beauty hack. The antioxidants in lemon, especially vitamin C, help reduce skin damage and wrinkles. Plus, staying hydrated flushes out toxins, giving your skin that natural, healthy glow. Now, here's something cool fact that lemon water can even boost your mood and energy levels. The scent of lemon alone is known to reduce stress and anxiety. So, why not start your day with a little extra pep in your step? It's like sunshine in a glass. Let's not forget the most obvious benefit, hydration. We all know hydration is key, but adding lemon to your water can make it more flavorful and encourage you to drink more throughout the day. Plus, it adds a refreshing twist without any added sugars. Especially for those of you who are pretty busy, sometimes a plain glass of water just doesn't cut it. But with a squeeze of lemon. Now that's refreshing. Did you know that while lemons are acidic, they actually have an alkalizing effect on the body? This means lemon water can help balance your body's pH, reducing acidity, which is often linked to inflammation and disease. So, while it's sour on your taste buds, it's sweet on your insides. Last but not least, fact is that it can help with weight management. Lemon water is low in calories and can make you feel fuller, which might help you avoid those mid-morning snacks. Plus, it helps your body burn fat more efficiently. So, if you're on a fitness journey, this little habit could be a game changer. Okay, let's recap. Lemon water boosts your immune system, aids digestion, improves your skin, lifts your mood, and helps with weight management. All of this from a simple glass of water and a squeeze of lemon. Sounds like a no-brainer to me. Now it's your turn. If you're already drinking lemon water, let me know in the comments how it's been working for you. And if you're not, what are you waiting for? Give it a try tomorrow morning and see how you feel. So, are you convinced? Will you be trying lemon water tomorrow morning? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, everyone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more health tips and tricks. Stay refreshed, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next one.